What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and not just any version, but the most controversial color of the lineup, cosmic orange. Now I'll be real. I wasn't a fan of this color when Apple first showed it off, but seeing it in the box, kinda hitting different. Let's crack this thing open. Unboxing sound effect. Boom! Here it is. First impression? I don't hate it. The silver used to be my safe pick, but this orange? I don't know. It's got a vibe. We'll see how it looks outside under real sunlight. Inside the box, it's the usual story. Just the phone and the cable. No SIM ejector tool, because for the first time in Canada, it's all a SIM. That's right, no physical SIM slot this year. This model, so yeah, that's the iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange. Pricey? Yep. Bold? For sure. My new daily driver? Maybe. What do you guys think? Fire color or nah? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to see me unbox the iPhone 17 Air and the regular iPhone 17, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Now taking a look at the design, Apple switched things up a bit. That new camera plateau is wild. It's not just for show, it's housing a vapor chamber for better cooling. Makes sense, especially with that new A19 Pro chip inside. It's got that new 3000 nit display. That's brighter than some TVs, bro. And the new anti-glare tech actually makes a difference. Taking a look around the phone, we've got the new titanium build. Super light and feeling great. And on the left side, no SIM slot because it's all eSIM this year. And that new action button is here too. You can customize this to your liking. I'm thinking of keeping it as a mute switch though. Now taking a look at the cameras, all 48 megapixels across the board now, so no more 12 megapixel sensors. And that new 8x optical zoom is pretty insane. That's going to be a big upgrade for a lot of people. And for selfies, Apple's gone with an 18 megapixel wide square sensor. So they're calling it a center stage camera now. So yeah, that's the iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange. Pricey? Yep. Bold? For sure. My new daily driver? Maybe. What do you guys think? Fire color or now? Drop it in the comments, and if you want to see me unbox the iPhone 17 Air and the regular iPhone 17, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.